This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Paolo Taylor. The spring is here. Beautifully remodeled and move-in ready 3-bedroom 1-bath home on Quiet Street in Riverside, New Jersey, with extra long driveway, spacious detached garage which can be used as workshop/storage. As you enter you will notice gorgeous new laminate flooring on the first floor. You will love sunbathing in gorgeous sunroom that has new tiled floor. Brand new eat-in kitchen with recess lights and stainless steel gas range and microwave. Right off the kitchen you will find beautiful wood deck adjoining concrete patio and huge yard for outdoor living and entertainment. Second floor has generous sized 3 bedrooms and totally renovated. Call Paul or Edward today 73270936600 to view this property. For more information.